Dear global users of VCity, hello everyone. Today is Monday, the 8th of September, 2025. Welcome to this week's weekly report. I am the founder, Xie Zhang. There are three main points for this week's update. First point, our black hole address has already been announced. In fact, since our listing, it's been about 5 months now, and we have been continuously buying back from the market. The funding for these buybacks actually puts a lot of pressure on our project team. For instance, getting listed on exchanges requires substantial investment. Our buyback represents our hope for the future because we firmly believe that our own token, our own stock, is worth far more than its current value. In a sense, this is an investment from our team in our own project. In addition, our project team invests huge amounts of funding every month in related technological development. Therefore, I hope those users who have more confidence in VCity can help our project stabilize the token price. As for users who are less confident, I also understand your concerns. Building a comprehensive business architecture takes time, but our team has demonstrated enough sincerity. All the tokens bought back have been sent to the black hole address. While this is an investment for us, I also hope it's something we can share with all our users. I hope everyone can understand the financial pressure on our team. If you have high expectations for the token price, please note that now is not the moment yet. We still need some time. Okay? Second point. Our node computing power is now undergoing its third adjustment. The first adjustment was during the testing period. The second was when we launched the mainnet. And now that the mainnet has been live for 5 months, we have accumulated relevant supporting data. Next, the computing power will be more inclined toward the AI sector. New standards for mining reduction and computing power calculations will be launched soon. As node operators, you are probably the ones who hold the most tokens, so I hope you will cherish your rights and tokens even more in the time ahead. Third point, I want to respond to some concerns heard in the community regarding why we're launching a new public chain rather than upgrading the existing one. Today, I'd like to address this on the program, though due to time constraints, I may not be able to explain as thoroughly as our technical team did in their article, as I have to leave for a business trip this afternoon. Firstly, our current public chain, VcityChain, is a layer 1 chain designed to support our current ecosystem. Our newly launched chain, Vorn network, is a layer 0 chain. Each chain has very different responsibilities. Let me emphasize that our new public chain, Vorn network, is a world-class public chain. It serves two main purposes. Firstly, for stablecoin integration, we need bank-level security from protocol to smart contracts, comprehensively strengthened. This kind of system requires a new chain built from scratch. Another key use case is RWA real-world assets, a robust platform for handling and trading large-scale data assets. The current chain simply cannot support this magnitude and frequency of transactions, which answers why a new foundational chain is necessary. I am very excited about this new chain. Turning back to VcityChain, we now define it as our public chain for building out the metaverse system. This chain will also undergo upgrades. Our blockchain team remains the most important and heavily invested team within VCity globally. In the coming age, the metaverse will be incredibly important. As you know, Meta did not succeed, mainly because no matter how fancy their VR and AR without blockchain infrastructure, everything else is just empty talk. Our VcityChain is the foundational chain for a future metaverse, supporting NFT transactions, all types of application scenarios, data storage, and smart contracts. So I hope users understand that these two public chains will coexist, but they have completely different responsibilities. VCity, as a global technology group, has the confidence and capability to develop both chains to world-class standards, which is a testament to our technical team's strength. Next, let me address some user questions about equity. First, as for the VcityChain company, our original shareholders will always hold significant equity in the Vorn network public chain. As long as you have VCity tokens, you will always be able to receive the corresponding dividends. This is not a one-time replacement. As long as you hold VCity, it will be a long-term source of profit for you. Vorn network, of course, will not be 100% held by VCity, as it involves a massive investment. Our calculation for Vorn Network's investment is $90 million US. The entire global structure of VCity is now very clear. Besides the 2 public chains, we have 2 chains and 1 bridge, China's Meta 5, and 12 modules in the overseas VCity ecosystem. In my perspective, this is a very well-organized system. Over the past 2 years, VCity has shown the world an ambitious blueprint. I hope everyone continues to stay with us. By the end of this year or in 2026, once our architecture is completely clear and everything is in place, that will be the season of harvest. I sincerely hope VCity's global users can join in sharing this joy and the wealth that will follow. All right, that's all for today's weekly report. See you next week.